Hey, what's going on, guys? So, I got the TCL 20 Pro 5G in today. Let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. Let's go ahead and slide open the box. And we got the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Now, as you can see on the bottom right here, you can see display greatness. And if you know TCL, you know they make some pretty awesome TVs, so I have some pretty high expectations for this phone. Let's go ahead and set this aside and see what else is included in the box. So this is what you're greeted with after you take the phone out. So you get a free clear case, which is awesome to see TCL do, because it's very rare to see cell phone manufacturers actually include protection for their devices when you take it out of the box. So this is awesome to see. You also do get a quick start guide and a safety and precautions guide, as well as a SIM eject tool. Now lastly, we do have a 5-volt USB-A power brick and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and throw all of this to the side. And let's check out the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Now, I'm very excited to check this phone out. For many reasons, it looks super awesome. And wow, that color is just, wow, that really stands out, doesn't it? This is probably one of my favorite smartphone colors I've ever seen on a phone, genuinely. Let's go ahead and set this thing up. All right, so we are at the setup screen now. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and I'll let you guys know when it's done. All right, so the phone is setting itself up right now. So it's actually a perfect time to talk about Accessorize. Accessorize makes a awesome case for the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Let's go ahead and open the box and check out what's inside. So you get an awesome grippy back to the back of the Accessorize case for the 20 Pro 5G and a very shock absorbent interior that you can tell. So let's go ahead and throw it inside just in case. And wow, it's a really nice case, gotta say. And just like that, the phone is now set up. So this is actually a perfect time to talk about the specs. So this phone is actually using a 2400 by 1080 60 Hertz panel in a 20 by 9 aspect ratio. Processor, it is using the Snapdragon 750G, which is capable of 5G. And you're also getting 256 gigabytes of internal storage with 6 gigs of RAM. And of course, that storage is upgradable up to 1 whole terabyte of storage. That's nuts, guys, with a micro SD card. I'm super hyped to get to know this phone a little more. It is also using Android 11 as well, which is awesome to see. The rear camera is a 4K 30, 1080 3060, and a slow motion capture 1080 at 120 and 720 at 1040. Now this thing's packing a whopping 4,500 milliamp hour battery, which is insane because a lot of phones nowadays are coming with a lot less than even 4,000. Even my iPhone is even using less than that, so that's awesome to see, TCL. One last thing I'd like to point out is that this phone has a headphone jack. So if you got wired earbuds or wired headphones, you know you're covered by TCL. So that was my unboxing and short-term review of the TCL 20 Pro 5G. If you have any questions, feel free to just leave a comment down below and I'll try to get to you. I should be able to see it very quickly. And don't forget to like if you like the video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I will be posting a lot more regularly now, so I'm super excited for that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.